If you're a homeowner in Richland Hills, you already know how important it is to protect your investment. Between hot Texas summers, occasional storms, and an active real estate market, maintaining and improving your home isn't just about comfort, it's about long-term value. One upgrade that consistently delivers both immediate benefits and strong returns is installing new windows. Here's how new windows can increase your home's value while making everyday life more enjoyable. Boosting curb appeal instantly. First impressions matter. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to take pride in your property, new windows dramatically improve your home's appearance. Old, faded, or damaged window frames can make an otherwise well-kept home look outdated. Modern windows offer clean lines, updated frame colors, and styles that complement both traditional and contemporary homes in Richland Hills. From classic double-hung windows to sleek picture windows, the right choice can transform your exterior. When potential buyers pull up to your home, attractive, well-maintained windows signal that the property has been cared for, often increasing perceived value before they even step inside. Improving energy efficiency. Richland Hills homeowners are no strangers to high cooling costs. With long, hot summers, inefficient windows can allow significant heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. New energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple pane glassed low-E, low emissivity coatings. Argon or krypton gas fills insulated frames. These features help keep indoor air cool during summer and warm during winter. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable living space year-round. Energy efficiency is also a strong selling point in today's market. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes that will save them money over time. When they see updated windows, they recognize long-term savings, making your property more attractive and potentially increasing its resale value. Enhancing comfort and livability beyond financial returns, new windows improve daily comfort in noticeable ways. Older windows often cause drafts, uneven temperatures, and glare from harsh sunlight. Upgrading to modern windows helps regulate indoor temperatures, reduce hotspots, and minimize outside noise. This is especially valuable if your home is near a busy road or active neighborhood area in Richland Hills. Better comfort translates to a better living experience, and buyers can feel that difference immediately during a showing. Increasing home security. Security is another factor that influences home value. Outdated windows may have weakened frames, worn locks, or single-pane glass that's easier to break. Modern windows are built with stronger materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass options. These upgrades provide peace of mind for your family and add a layer of protection that buyers appreciate. When a home offers enhanced security features, it becomes more desirable in the competitive Richland Hills market. Reducing maintenance needs. Older wood frames can rot, warp, or require frequent repainting due to Texas weather conditions. New windows, especially vinyl or composite options, are designed to resist moisture, fading, and warping. Low-maintenance materials save you time and money on upkeep. Many newer windows also tilt inward for easier cleaning, which is a small but meaningful convenience. Prospective buyers often look for move-in ready homes. Updated, low-maintenance windows eliminate one more concern on their checklist, helping justify a stronger asking price. Delivering a strong return on investment. While kitchen and bathroom remodels often get the spotlight, window replacement consistently ranks as one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment. In a market like Richland Hills, where buyers value comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal, new windows can help your home stand out. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, you'll benefit from lower utility costs and improved comfort in the meantime. A smart upgrade for Richland Hills homeowners. Installing new windows isn't just about aesthetics, it's a strategic improvement that enhances comfort, security, and energy efficiency while increasing your home's overall value. If you're looking for an upgrade that delivers both immediate enjoyment and long-term financial benefits, new windows are a smart investment for your Richland Hills home.